Hello, today we're analyzing ACN stock. ACN stock is currently trading at $238.61 level. The current relative strength index, RSI, for ACN stock is 33.2. This places the stock in a relatively neutral position just above the oversold threshold of 30, which indicates that it is not yet in a territory where aggressive buying would typically be warranted. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. As such, a reading below 30 often suggests that the stock may be undervalued or oversold, while readings above 70 indicate overbought conditions. Given the current RSI level, it appears that ACN is approaching the oversold area, which could mean that a potential rebound may soon occur. However, caution is warranted as the RSI is still well within the neutral zone, suggesting that significant bullish momentum may not be imminent without additional signals. Moving on to the moving averages, we see that the current price of ACN at 238.61 is situated between the 5-day moving average of 237.91 and the 10-day moving average of 238.41. The price is above the 5-day average, but slightly below the 20-day average of 239.57, indicating mixed signals. The positioning of the shorter-term moving averages relative to the longer-term moving average may suggest a consolidation phase, but also hints at the potential for a bullish crossover if the price can regain momentum. A crossover occurs when a shorter-term average moves above a longer-term average, and in this case, if ACN can rise above the 20-day moving average, it may signal a stronger upward trend is developing. Examining the MACD, we find the MACD line currently at 3.0013, while the signal line is at 3.542. This negative reading suggests that the momentum is currently bearish, as the MACD line is below the signal line. However, a closer look reveals that the MACD has recently been narrowing the gap between itself and the signal line, indicating a potential shift in momentum. If the MACD line crosses above the signal line in the near future, it could serve as a bullish confirmation, signaling that the trend may be reversing and indicating that buyers are stepping into the market. Analyzing the Bollinger Bands, ACN is currently trading below the upper band, which is set at $243.07. The stock is also positioned above the lower band of $236.06, indicating that while it is experiencing some pressure, the volatility remains normal. The width of the bands is relatively tight, suggesting that volatility may be subdued, but this can often precede a significant price movement. A breakout above the upper band could signal strong buying interest, while a drop below the lower band would suggest heightened selling pressure. The current position within the bands indicates that traders should remain alert for potential volatility spikes as the price approaches either band. In terms of volume, ACN is currently experiencing a volume of 801,004 shares, which is significantly above its average volume of 492,047 shares. This increased volume indicates a heightened level of market participation and interest in the stock. Typically, when volume is above average, it signifies stronger conviction behind price moves. In this case, the volume ratio of 1.63x average suggests that investors are actively trading ACN, which may enhance the reliability of any price movements that occur. The daily change of $0.78 or plus 0.33%, coupled with the above-average volume, could indicate that buyers are beginning to take control after a period of consolidation. Support and resistance levels are also crucial in understanding ACN's price action. The identified support level is at 226.68, which is a critical area where buyers may step in to prevent further declines. Should the price drop towards this support level, it will be essential to monitor any signs of buying interest. Conversely, the resistance level at 250.54 represents a significant hurdle that ACN must overcome to confirm a bullish trend. If the stock can break through this resistance level, it may attract additional buying interest and lead to further upward momentum. Looking ahead, there are various scenarios to consider. A bullish scenario could unfold if ACN manages to reclaim its 20-day moving average, supported by a positive MACD crossover and increased buying volume. In this case, a breakout above the resistance level could result in a significant upward movement, potentially targeting new highs. On the bearish side, if ACN falls below the support level of 226.68, it could lead to increased selling pressure and a retest of lower price levels. Risk management will be crucial for traders in both scenarios, where setting stop-loss levels around support and resistance zones can help mitigate potential losses. In conclusion, ACN's current technical indicators present a mixed picture, with the RSI indicating a possible approach towards oversold conditions, while moving averages and the MACD suggest potential shifts in momentum. The Bollinger Bands indicate normal volatility, and the volume suggests robust market participation. Support and resistance levels will play a critical role in determining future price movements. As traders navigate these uncertainties, maintaining a disciplined approach with defined risk management strategies will be vital in capitalizing on opportunities while limiting exposure to downside risks. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.